Hello students, welcome to online ELCA classes at home. First of all, we will continue with the phonics section and after that we will do whole words. So let us start phonics section. So in phonics section, today we will learn some new words of R controlled vowels. In previous classes we have learnt about the R controlled vowels with the vowels A and O coming before R. हमने पिछली क्लासेस में वो वॉवल्स किए थे जो आर के पहले लग सकते हैं, जिनके अंदर ए और ओ शामिल थे. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट सम न्यू वॉवल्स आई, ई and U. These three vowels when come before R, what will be the sounds they make? Today we will learn that. Okay, so I, E एंड यू वोवल जब आर से पहले आते हैं तो वो किस तरीके के साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. सो हियर वी हैव अ वर्ड स्टर. स्टर. In this word we have the vowel I before R. So this word is an R controlled vowel word. So in this word the sound of IR will be R. R. The pronunciation of this word will be stir. Okay students, let us see another example. This is another word which have the vowel U before R. So in this word the sound of UR will also be R. The pronunciation of this word will be hurt. Hurt. Okay students. Same as in this word also we have the vowel E before the letter R. So in this word also when E comes before R, the sound of this R controlled vowel will be R. So the pronunciation of this whole word will be meter. Meter. Okay students, now let us watch a video and take a look at some more words with the R controlled vowels having E, I and U. अभी हम कुछ वर्ड्स देखेंगे. मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप सभी वर्ड्स को बहुत ही ध्यान से सुने एंड इफ़ यू कैन प्लीज़ रिपीट द वर्ड्स आफ्टर द वीडियो. ओके, जो भी वर्ड्स वीडियो में बताए जाएंगे उन सभी को आप साथ साथ में रिपीट करने की कोशिश करें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस वॉच द वीडियो. When a vowel comes before the letter R, the sound of the vowel changes. When I comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Skirt, skirt. Girl, girl. Bird, bird. Swirl, swirl. When the letter E comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Teacher, teacher. Dancer, dancer. Lawyer, lawyer. Writer, writer. When the letter U comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Turn, turn. Fur, fur. Burn, burn. Surf, surf. Now students, we will watch the video again and you have to repeat the words with the video. ओके, हम वीडियो को दोबारा से देखेंगे और आपको सभी वर्ड्स को साथ साथ में रिपीट करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, when a vowel comes before the letter R, the sound of the vowel changes. When I comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Skirt, skirt. Girl, girl. Bird, bird. Swirl, swirl. When the letter E comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Teacher, teacher. Dancer, dancer. Lawyer, lawyer. Writer, writer. When the letter U comes before R, the sound becomes R. Let us see some words with the sound R. Turn, turn. Fur, fur. Burn, burn. Surf, surf. After watching the video, now students please open up your SR7, the 7th page in your student reader SR7. In this, we will take a look at some more words with the vowels with R, or you can say R controlled vowel words. So first of all, the first sound is with the letter I coming before R. जब लेटर I R से पहले आता है तो वो क्या साउंड बनाता है? अर, अर. So let us take a look at these words. Girl, girl. Stir, stir. Swirl, swirl. Shirt, shirt. Bird, bird. Skirt, skirt. Twirl, twirl. Surely, surely. Third, third. Dirt, dirt. So as we all see here that when I comes before R, the sound will be R. The next set of words will be when E letter comes before R. So when E vowel comes before R, the sound of this R controlled vowel will be R. Okay students, so let us watch some words with the part ER. Teacher, teacher. Writer, writer. Lawyer, lawyer. Dancer, dancer. Her, her. Runner, runner. Swimmer, swimmer. Faster, faster. Baker, baker. Driver, driver. So students, these were the words with the part ER. Okay. Now we will see the words when the vowel U comes before R. Okay. When U comes before R, the sound will be the same as the previous ones. The sound will be R. जब हमारे पास U vowel R से पहले आता है तो उसकी साउंड भी क्या होगी? R, R. So now let us watch some words with the part UR. Curl, curl. Burn, burn, turn, turn, surf, surf, hurt, hurt, turf, turf, curt, curt, fur, fur, burst, burst, hurl, hurl. Okay, students, so these were the words with the R controlled vowel. So your today's homework is to read all these words in your SR7 and make a video by reading these words. Okay students, आपका आज का होमवर्क ये है कि आप SR7 के अंदर ये सभी वर्ड्स को रीड करते हुए एक वीडियो बनाएंगे एंड ग्रुप के अंदर शेयर करेंगे. Okay students, now let us move on to the next section, which is whole words.